Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see the page navigation. Fine. So what is this page navigation? So if you have, we are using the ATMs, right? So in the ATM screen, whenever we are inserting the card, it'll give some various options, right? Whether we need to withdraw or whether we need to deposit. Some options will be there, ATM pin change or some phone number change. So many options are over there. So if you press one option, it will take you to the another page. Correct? So at last, it will take you to next pages according to the option we are selecting. So like that, that is page navigation. Okay. So like that in Scada also, we can create multiple pages. So W1 is the one we have created. So this is the home page. This is the first page. Okay. So if you want to create a new one, you can go for right click new and you can give the new page name. I'm just giving W2. Okay. So W1 is already we have some components. In W2 is the new one. Right. So if you go to runtime, so just imagine I'm just giving some object here. Okay. I'm just giving an option here. So just go to runtime. It is giving you the page where I have what we have in the development page. Correct? See, in the development page I am having this. So in a runtime it is coming. Fine. Suppose in the development page I am having this. If you go for the runtime, it is still in the W2. Correct? So how to go to the first page now? So this is window 2. Window 2 is the last created page only it is showing. Correct? So how to go to the first page? That is the question. One option here is whenever you can find a file option here. Can you see the file option? In file option, just click file, open window. In that you can see W1. Right? You can click OK. So it will give you this page. Fine? So like that, you can do the page navigation, like open window again, W2 if you want, you can select and you can go for it. Or you have the option to select all. Select all, click OK. Fine. So that means if you want to go to the second page, you are having this option only. Okay. Right? So this is one way. So apart from this file open window option, is there any other option is there? Means yes, option is there. That is, we can call it as go to button or show window button. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. So just close this or make this one close. Okay, window has been saved. Yes. Right. If you go for online, it will show you your main page. Okay. Yeah. So what is this go to option means? Just get a button over here. Can you see the button here? One option is there. No, at last one button is there. So I'm just keeping it over here. Fine. And just click on that button. When you click on that button, you are having the animation link page. In the animation link page, in the touch push buttons option, there is an option called show window. Can you see? Show window. Click on that and select W2. So what exactly it is meaning means, when you click this button, it will take you to the window 2. Okay? Just click OK. Fine. Click OK. Go for runtime. Just click this. It will take you to the W2, window 2. Got it? So from window 2 to window 1, how to go? Again, we need to have one button here to go to the window 1. So let's create that. So go to this page. Have one button. Click on this button. Same procedure. When you click on animation link, go to show window. In that, select W1. Sorry. This is W2. From this page, you need to go to W1. So you need to select this and click OK. Fine. Click OK. So just close this, save it. Yeah, go for runtime. If you click on this, it will take you to the second page. If you click on this, it will take you to the first page. So this is page navigation. Okay. So this is how you need to go to one page to another page. And there is a text over here now. So shall we change this name? Yes, we have an option. So let's see where it is. Right click this. There is an option called substitute. Correct. Go for this substitute string. Yeah. So here you can change. So I'm just typing the W2. Yeah. Click OK. So it is changed to W2. So if you click this, it will take you to the W2 page. Click on this. Same. Right click. Substitute string. And here I'm just typing W1 or home screen. Whatever you want, you can type. Fine. Now save. Close. Go for runtime. So some operation you are doing. So after that, if you want to go to the second page, click on this. Yeah. Here is some operation you are doing. Again, go to first page. Yeah. So this is how we need to do the page navigation. So for how many pages you can create? You can create more windows also. For all the windows, whenever you want to navigate from one page to another page, you need to use this show window option. Can you see? Show window. It is in touch push buttons. Fine. So yeah. So just practice this page navigation in the software. I'll meet you in the next session with another interesting topic. Bye.